Hey my friends, this is Daniel Aldie, and today I want to talk with you about work. Look, a lot of times people have the wrong ideas about what it takes to actually get things done. And in this video, I want to help you to understand exactly how you need to think and how you need to view your work in order to achieve maximum success. So please listen up. The fundamental understanding of work is that if you work hard, you make money. And of course that is true. But the fact is that what kind of work you do will determine how much fruit you actually produce. Now, when you work hard, no one cares. But when you achieve success, everyone stops and stares. And the reason is simple. Those who are benefiting the most in society deserve to get the most recognition. And those who benefit the least in society deserve to get the least recognition. Now, it might not seem fair to you, right? You might say, well, Daniel, I think a firefighter helps more people than a celebrity actor. But here's the truth. Before that celebrity actor got on the screen, they had to do a lot of things behind the scenes. And that firefighter may not have had to do as much. You see, the average training for a firefighter would probably be a couple thousand hours. Whereas if you wanted to be a major actor, you would have to put in at least a minimum of 10,000 hours. So what I'm basically saying is that a lot of times things might not seem to make sense, right? You might think, why does one person get more reward and success than another? And the key factor is this: they did the work. They worked behind the scenes so that they can accomplish their dreams. And if you take this perspective into your own life, no matter what you want to do, then you, in the end, will always have success. Now, everyone defines success differently, right? Success means different things to different people. That's a fact. For example, a housewife might view success as raising 5 children so that they become the most resourceful that they can be in society. While another person might say that getting a PhD in a specific degree is what defines their success. So what I'm basically saying to you is that you have to define success on your own terms. You have to understand what it means to you. It's not just $1 billion, it's not just to be able to travel the world, it's not just to buy a house. You see, success has so many different meanings, and the more you define it for yourself, the more likely you'll be able to achieve it. So all I'm saying is this: whatever you do off the clock will determine how much you get paid on the clock. To the housewife, she might not want monetary rewards. Maybe she wants to spend time with her family. Maybe she wants praise for her husband. That's her form of getting paid. That's how she defines her success. How do you define your success? How do you define your rewards? The moment you define success on your terms is the same moment you'll set yourself up to get more than you deserve. My friends, this is Daniel Aldie. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to type yes in the comment section below, share this video with someone else who absolutely needs it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please write me an email at info@danielaldie.com. My friends, this is Daniel Aldie. I look forward to your success, I look forward to your prosperity, I look forward to everything that you do for your family, for humanity, and the rest of society. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.